Once upon a time, in a small, quiet village, there lived a young girl named Emily. Emily had big dreams of becoming a successful writer, but she faced numerous challenges that seemed insurmountable. Emily's family was not well off, and they struggled to make ends meet. She had to work odd jobs after school to help support her family, leaving her with little time for her passion, writing. However, Emily's determination was unwavering. Every night, after a long day of work, Emily would sit at her desk with a dimly lit lamp and a pen in hand. She poured her heart and soul into her stories, creating fantastical worlds and compelling characters. Even when she received rejection letters from publishers, she didn't give up. One day, a renowned author named Mr. Anderson visited Emily's village for a book signing event. Emily gathered her courage and attended the event, clutching her manuscript. She approached Mr. Anderson and nervously handed him her work, explaining her dream of becoming a writer. Mr. Anderson, impressed by Emily's determination, agreed to read her manuscript. Over the next few weeks, Emily couldn't sleep, her anxiety growing. Then one day, a letter arrived, and it was from Mr. Anderson. With trembling hands, Emily opened it, fearing the worst. To her astonishment, Mr. Anderson praised her writing and offered to mentor her. Emily's dreams were coming true, thanks to her relentless determination and the support of a kind-hearted mentor. Years passed, and Emily's talent blossomed under Mr. Anderson's guidance. She published her first novel, which became a bestseller. Emily's hard work, perseverance, and belief in herself had paid off. The story of Emily, the determined dreamer, serves as a reminder that no dream is too big, no obstacle too daunting,